Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and we are here today because it is a Stitch Fix day. So we are going to be unboxing my July Stitch Fix. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile and a stylist is paired with you. He or she will select 5 items to send to you in a box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, anything that they want to put in that box. Shipping is free both ways. You get to try on the items in the comfort of your own home. And then you decide what you like and what you don't like. Anything that you don't like, you put back in the bag and you send it back. Anything that you decide to keep, that $20 that you pay for the styling fee does get applied to what you keep. If you decide to keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which is really nice. I just like the convenience of it. So you can have it shipped to you on demand whenever you want. You can have it done every couple weeks. You can have it done monthly. You can have it done seasonally. It really is flexible and there really is no obligation to keep doing it over and over if you don't want to. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got. When you open the box, it looks like this and they give you the directions on what to do next. Here's that prepaid mailer bag that I talked about that you send anything back that you don't want to keep or any exchanges that you need to make. You get an envelope and inside the envelope is a sheet with your prices. So I'm going to set that off to the side. You also get a card, a style card that looks like this that says, "Oh, hello," and you get a note from your stylist with style suggestions for how to wear the pieces that are in the box. So I'm going to read the note real quick. It says, "Cue the fireworks. July is here, Jennifer. I can't tell you enough how excited I get to see how much you love your fixes. I've chosen pieces to continue to keep you on trend all season long. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find any darker Bermuda shorts for this fix, but I will keep my eyes open for future fixes." I had requested some darker shorts. "Instead, since you mentioned you would be open to capri/cropped pants, that's what I've included today. You're going to live in the Belinda skinny crop jean. We are loving the cuffed look on jeans, pants, or shorts. Breathability is key when it comes to beating the heat, and these are made of cotton, rayon, and spandex for that stretch. As for the tops, I continued with vibrant summer colors. I noticed you had a few yellow tops pinned, so I wanted to include one for you to try, the Breyson blouse. I hope you love the longer lengths, Kara." And Kara's been my stylist and she does a fantastic job. So we're gonna go ahead and look at what's in the bundle. So it looks like this. I got some really bright colors. There's that yellow top she mentioned and the jeans. And this side looks like that. Okay, so the first thing is this really pretty orange top and it says it is by Papermoon. It's the Alexya mixed material blouse. Color is orange red and it looks like this. It feels like it's got that polyester feel in the front. Has this cute little cross keyhole here. The back just feels like a nice cotton material. So that is really cute. I love tops like this for summer. Next is the yellow top that she mentioned. It is by 41 Hawthorne. It is the Breyson pleated detail blouse in yellow. I don't own a lot of yellow and I think it looks really good on other people, so let's see what we think for myself. Has the pleats going down the front. It also has a pleat going in the back, which is really pretty. It feels like that polyester material. Very pretty. I think I'm gonna like that one. Very bright. I love bright colors and she's figured that out, I think. Next is another tank, and it is by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Orana knit tank top, and it says it's in cobalt, and it looks like that. Very colorful. Let's see. Has a very pretty pattern to it. Very stretchy. I like that. Very pretty. Next is another top, and it is by Kaileigh, and it is the Jolla mixed material knit top in navy. And it looks like this. Has the navy front, and in the back it has the floral pattern. It is a little bit longer in the back, so that is really pretty. I love the colors of those flowers. Okay. And last but not least is, says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. Let me find the tag here. It is by Liverpool. It is the Belinda Skinny Crop Jean, and it says it's in indigo. It's very dark. I like darker washes on my jeans. And it has a cute little cuff. Let's see if you can unroll the cuff. No, it's stitched right there, so it's not going to come unrolled. It is very stretchy. So yeah, I'm going to be trying all these tops on with these jeans, and so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back with the first two pieces from the box, and I have on the Liverpool Belinda Skinny Crop Jean in indigo and the Papermoon Alexya mixed material blouse in orange red. We'll start with the pants. The pants fit really good. They're stretchy. They're a nice cropped length. I like the cuff on them. They fit very well and they're super comfortable, so I think those are going to be a keeper. Next is this mixed material top. Ignore the black cami underneath of it. I like the color. Is it a little too big right here, or is that just the way it looks? What do you guys think? It's got that polyester feel in the front. It's got the cotton back that comes down a little bit longer. What do you guys think? Is that a problem? What do you think? I like the shirt. I think it's really cute. I like the color. Very comfortable. All right, I'm going to try it on the yellow top next. All right, guys, I'm back with this second top. This is the yellow top. This is the 41 Hawthorne Breyson pleated detail blouse in yellow. It's got the pleat going down the front. It's got a pleat going down the back. It is a little bit of a high-low, covers the bottom pretty good. I've got that black cami on, so it is a little sheer. Might want to use like a nude cami or something underneath of it. But what do you guys think about this top? I think it looks good. I like it. I don't own a lot of yellow, so this will be something new to my closet. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, I'm back with this third top. This is the Fortuna Ivy Orana knit tank top in cobalt. It's super soft, very stretchy. Here's an up close of the print. Very colorful. Has black trim. Yeah, fits really well. I think I like it. Tell me what you guys think. All right, we are back with the last top, and this is the Kaileigh Jolla mixed material knit top in navy. It's super soft. It has a really soft feel in the front. Solid navy front, but then you turn around and you have this floral insert in the back. I like the floral colors, the pinks. Does come down really long, so it's down here, but it comes down even longer in the back, which is nice. So what do you guys think? Give me your opinions. I think I like all of it. Be right back with the recap. All right, guys, we are back to do a recap and to talk about some prices, and so we're going to go over these items that were in the box. The first was this yellow 41 Hawthorne Breyson pleated detail blouse. I really like this top. I don't own a lot of yellow in my wardrobe, so I think it'll be a nice addition. The cost of that top, it was the priciest of all the tops, is $54. Next was the Papermoon Alexya mixed material blouse in orange red. And I love the color of this top. The only thing that I was in question about was the way it fit up here around the armholes. So let me know what you think. But the cost of this top is $38. The next top is the Kaileigh Jolla mixed material knit top in navy. And it was really super soft. It had the really pretty floral print in the back. And the cost of this top is $38. Next were the Liverpool Belinda Skinny Crop Jean in Indigo, and these are super comfortable and definitely something I'm going to keep. And the cost of those were $88. And then last but not least, we have the Fortune and Ivy Orana Knit Tank Top in Cobalt. This is really soft and stretchy and comfortable, and the cost of this top was $38. So my stylist pick subtotal was $256. The buy all 5 discount of 25% would take off $64, which would leave me with an order total of $192 for the whole entire box. I do not get the $20 discount just because I have the Style Pass, which gives me unlimited fixes for the year, so I don't get an additional discount. So my total is $192, which I don't think is bad for 5 pieces of clothing. But tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you liked and what you think I should keep. I'm going to go ahead and put my Stitch Fix referral link in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. If you click on that link, you're going to get $25 towards your first fix, and I'll get $25 towards my next one. So it's a win-win. Until next time, bye guys.